What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy all the progress update on the EF Sedan since dyno day, and we have one full day left to get this car entirely done before our trip down to SoCal for the Honda meet in Lake Elsinore. In the previous video, we buttoned up all the major stuff we needed to put onto the car, which was the turbo kit, the S1 all-wheel drive rear end, along with the Vistas coupler and drive shaft. In today's video, we're going to button up the exterior of the car. If you guys remember, we took all the trims off to do the vinyl wrap, and it is time to put it all back on. But before we put it back on, I want to give it a nice coat of trim black. I'm going to be using SEM trim black out of a quart spraying through an HVLP gun this time around, opposed to the spray can. The quart costs us a little bit more opposed to the amount of cans I may need to spray everything on the car, including the bumpers. So I figured let's just use the quart instead, because this right here needs to be mixed 1-to-1 ratio with urethane thinner, which then gives me 2 quarts. That's going to be enough paint for like 2 or 3 cars, I think. So with that being said, there's a lot of parts to sand down, a lot of parts to paint. Let's get to work. Guys, I am super tired right now. It is currently 11:25 and everything that I wanted to put back onto the car is installed in the car. I spent like 2 days sanding down everything that I wanted to give a fresh coat of trim black. All of the trims on the window, the door pillar, the side moldings, the side skirts, the mud flaps, the front and rear bumper. Everything on the car is looking fresh, and I wish I could have shown it to you guys, but it is super dark and late obviously, but I'll be sure to throw some pictures at the end of the video. The only thing I didn't paint was the door handles, which I forgot, but then again, they are pretty clean, so I'm not really worried about it. If I wanted to give it a fresh coat later, I'll probably do that later. Not a big deal. All the door panels are reinstalled with all the hardware, so the interior is looking complete again. I threw the I-Terra wheels on the car and lowered the car back on the ground, only realizing that the rear of the car is actually lower than the front. We did the S1 billet rear forks the other day for the all-wheel drive system, and I did set it to where the coilover was length before, and I didn't check it obviously because the car has been on jack stands for a couple of days. I'm probably gonna have to take care of the ride height when we get down to LA tomorrow, because we do have a day to tinker around with the car, hang out with some friends, and hopefully get it looking proper. Really not a big deal, because at the end of the day, the car is going to be propped in the back on jack stands anyways to display all the S1 all-wheel drive components. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the outcome of the entire car these last 2 weeks since Dyno Day. Just me standing here looking at it, it's like a whole new car. And all the work that I've put into this car in the last 2 weeks definitely was worth it. But I'm actually looking forward to after the show, because I kind of want to rest up, and then clean up. Anyways, guys, I don't want to talk too much. Obviously, all the progress was in this entire video. I need to pack up. I need to clean up. I need to clean myself up. I'm supposed to be leaving in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we're going to load this car up and head straight to LA. So as far as this video goes, we're going to wrap it up right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the progress update on the EF Sedan. If you guys did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for the SoCal trip, the Honda Meet vlogs, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.